Hello and welcome to Axenprize. In this video, we'll be covering combining Service Watch, device groups, and CloudReady synthetics inside of dashboards. With the CloudReady sensors constantly testing performance and availability, you'll be able to speed up time to resolution when issues occur by quickly ruling out the software as a service applications and continuing your troubleshooting from the device. Combining this information will also provide your app owners a quick and thorough view into how the user experience is going and how the application is performing in general. When issues occur, they'll have the information available, making it easy to prove the vendor is at fault and recover SLA credits. Or if you wanted to show the upper management teams the health of your environment alongside the end user experience to give insight into productivity increases or decreases, this will be made simple. When starting off with building your dashboards, you'll want to take a few items into consideration. First, what sensors, core applications, or device groups you want to display information for. Second, who is the dashboard for and how do you want to show the data? Another decision you'll have to make is how you want to display this information. Utilizing the browser and metric graphs together can show you the sensor performance and user experience from a browser, giving you deep insight into how well the application is performing from both. On the other hand, you may find using sensor grids and application network together will give you equal value, but for executables rather than slow browser apps. Scorecards are always great and simple to use. They can be customized to change color based on different thresholds and are available for Sensors, Service Watch Desktop, and Service Watch Browser. At this point, I'd like to share some dashboards we've built as examples for this video and give you a breakdown of what widgets we're using and for what product. The Teams AV dashboard is utilizing the map at the top left to quickly see if sensors are experiencing issues. To the right of that, a metric graph to show packet loss, round trip times, and jitter for all of the sensors to show how they are trending over a specific time range. In the bottom left, the grids are being used to show individual metrics. If you're seeing any spikes on the graph at the top or red circles on the map, you can quickly see which site is being affected. Lastly, on this dashboard, we have the individual performance of the Teams clients from the end user's devices running Service Watch. From here, you can quickly drill down into the metrics to see which device is being affected. The next dashboard will be the Email Health Dashboard. On the right, we're using the app metric chart to show the round trip times of the Outlook executables running on the Service Watch devices. We also have the user search widget to quickly be able to pull up end user's device or browser scores. On the left-hand side, we're showing the service availability of email sensors, graphs to show performance over a week, and grids to show the alerts and errors over the last week as well. For the last dashboard, we'll look at a web-based SaaS app. In this case, it's a ticketing system we use at Axenprize. The same dashboard can be pointed to almost any SaaS app. On the left, we're showing a sensor graph representing the metrics from a web login sensor. A high percentage of browser-based apps can be addressed with a web login sensor. Below the graph, we are utilizing scorecards to make sure our sensors run within the threshold time alongside availability grids to see spikes in login times. To the right, we have a scorecard showing the overall experience score of that domain for the users, as well as the timings over 3 hours, 24 hours, and 7 days, and a browser grid widget for web experience score per user over 7 days. The dashboards we just walked through are all extremely simple to build out. They took about 15 minutes each to build out, and now I can share them with my application owners, making their lives easier and providing them with all the information they need to stay on top of the application. As you can see, combining Service Watch and CloudReady synthetics is easy to do and extremely powerful. With the dashboards built, you can share them amongst your teams in your organization, such as app owners, the NOC or help desk, or even management. You can also use the built-in reporting capabilities to send yourself the dashboards weekly or embed them into Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, or any other tools that support embedding. You'll be able to build out dashboards providing you visibility across the organization and be able to provide proof when attempting to reclaim SLA credits. And for those utilizing the data for troubleshooting, such as help desk, you can quickly pinpoint where the issues are occurring and skip the troubleshooting where the issue isn't which will speed up their resolution time, saving your organization time and money. That wraps up our video. Thanks for watching.